Hi guys, how are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. So will not implicate anything in your life till you realize the importance of it. So here I am to show you the importance of mental health and well-being. How much important is mental health and well-being? When a person is mentally fit and well-being, he or she will be able to tackle each and every problem, daily life hassles, any situation of life so easily because he or she will have a crystal clear mindset, and which is more important to take out challenges, because as you know, life is all about problems and challenges. The richest person in the world, Ambani, towards a person who is below poverty line, who doesn't have sufficient free time meal, even has problems in their life. It depends on us how do we deal to it. It depends on us how do we crack problems. The letter 9 can be viewed as 9 and even 6. It depends on us. The same, the problems problems are part of each and everyone's life. It depends on us how do we deal to it, how do we crack the problem. And when the person is not mentally fit, instead of dealing towards problem, he'll be arising questions, he'll be blaming problem, he'll be blaming himself, he'll be blaming God, he'll be blaming all the relation and close relation, which is of no use. Getting in greatest example of this pandemic situation, COVID. When the person is mentally fit, he'll understand he has gotten valuable time to know himself, to get on to his passion which he wanted to, but he wasn't able to due to lack of time. It's a great opportunity for these things. It's a great opportunity to analyze yourself in this daily busy schedules. So you may understand the importance of time in this COVID that you're getting. Instead, a person with weak mental health will blame things, will blame situation as usual, will make the situation more diverse, more worst, because he'll start taking tense, he'll be into a depressed state which will harm him more, and he's gonna spoil his present and even future. Moreover, guys, live in present, because next minute you doesn't know what is gonna happen. Life doesn't give you a second chance. Live it to the fullest. And you know what, when you're mentally comfortable, it gives you a different vision to solve each and every problem. I'm not kidding, it gives you a totally different vision to solve each and every problem. When you're mentally fit, you'll give yourself a positive vibe even in your negative situation or negative time. You'll give yourself a positive vibe by telling that no, bad things eventually fall only after the good things happening. So that's a sign that good things are on the way. Or you'll be comforting yourself by telling no, everything happens for a reason. I have to find out the reason behind what is happening and why it's happening, because it's happening for you to teach something. Life is all about lessons. You just have to analyze where you have to get the moral into it. So a person with good mental health will have solution for each and every problem, as life is all about problems and you have to deal it no matter what. So why do you be tense and deal to it? Take it calmly, take it in a positive way, so you'll be able to deal it more efficiently and effectively. When a person is mentally fit, he or she, instead of living his life, will be alive from inside, which is more important. Living a life without being alive is a person. It's a dead body without having emotion. It's of no use living a life without being alive from inside. So be alive. Take all the problems as challenges. Challenge to it. Crack the problems. You'll be able to deal each and everything when you are confident on you. So be confident, stay confident, tell yourself every day that you can, you will. And believe me guys, everything happens for a reason. So find out the reason behind. Find out how to tackle the problem instead of blaming the problem. And this and all you can do only when you're mentally fit. Only when you're mentally fit, you realize the value of your life. You don't take that small cheap decision of suicide and all. When you're mentally fit, you'll crack the problems. You'll be happy to crack each and every challenge when you're winning it as usual. You'll obviously be winning each and every challenge when you're mentally fit and when you deal it in a positive way. So how can you increase your mental health, or how can you be mentally fit? You can do exercise, yoga, you can talk to your close ones, you can do things which make you feel happy. Like, for me, it's reading something positive or making my life positive, so it's more important. So guys, please don't delay before it's too late. Rise on. Mental health is it's a brick towards your building, and if the brick is not proper, how will the building form? It is an cake towards your icing. So please, mentally being fit is an important fundamental unit in today's life. stay fit, be happy, and physical fitness is an important part of mentally being fit. So be physically fit for you to stay mentally fit, and please take every period, every challenging period, and crack it moreover.